To check your transaction history on the Librem 2026, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Power on your device. Ensure your Librem 2026 is powered on and fully booted up. Wait for the operating system to load completely before proceeding. Step 2. Open the wallet application. Locate and open the wallet application installed on your device. This app is typically where your transaction history is stored and managed. Step 3. Navigate to Transaction History. Within the wallet application, look for a section labeled Transaction History or similar. Click on the section to access a list of your past transactions. Step 4. Review your transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Export or save history optional. If you need to keep a record of your transaction history, look for an option to export or save the history. This may allow you to download it as a file or send it to your email. Now you can easily check your transaction history on your Librem 2026. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to consult the user manual or support resources.